Hi, today I'm going to share a very bad experience actually. Uh, a couple of days in the sense around 7 to 10 days ago, I heard a noise, a tiny noise of a palm squirrel, a small fellow, a baby palm squirrel. Actually, I suspected it can be a baby palm squirrel, and I took this to the garage. We dismantled the entire engine compartment and we searched for the babies, but we couldn't find. Now, couple of days again on my way, I heard a sound, but then I talked to the garage people. They said it might be most probably the fan belt. But last 2 days I went to my office since the lockdown is over, the pandemic curfew is over, and today I thought of staying at home because I have some other work to finish. But when I am having the bed tea, I heard a huge sound of this baby palm squirrel, and again I was very cautious and I tried to find where it comes from. Today I found it. It's right inside this compartment. uh, I really feel like now it has to be around 7 to 10 days time period, so the babies must be grown enough to go all alone. Uh, but I have no choice. I have to take this to the garage. In fact, I talked to the garage people as well. They want me to bring the jeep to their garage, and I'm going to take it to around 6 to 7 kilometers away garage from my house, and take the entire part out and take these palm squirrels out. So I don't know how this output comes, but I want them to be uh, alive. I don't want them to have any harm. We have to be very cautious. Anyway, let's see how it's going to be, and I'm going to share this experience with you guys. We'll see how it's going to be today. I'm actually on my way to the garage, and I still can hear the sounds of the palm squirrels. After I start the engine, they were silent for a moment, but on my way, I still can hear they are shouting time to time. Some of my engine sensors indicate certain error messages as well. So probably they might have damaged the wire harness of the vehicle too. So anyway, I have no choice. I have to take it to the garage and see to take these corals harmlessly, and to check up the engine sensors as well. So I think you can hear that sound. Now I am on my way. Around 6 to 8 kilometers I have to drive. We'll see what's going to happen once we reach the garage. Most of the time this kind of incidents happens when your vehicle is parked for a long time. In my case, what happened was the country was locked down for around 3 weeks time, and my vehicle was lying in the same place in my garage for almost like 5 to 6 days. So during that time period, I think the mother palm squirrel has find this place as a safe place to have its babies. And now what has happened is I can't find where they have entered to the entered to this compartment. Most probably it has to be somewhere down, because my kids, they have noticed that the palm squirrel is going inside and out in the vehicle time to time. But since it's going under the vehicle, I never suspected that it's going to have its cage or nest over there. But anyway, it has happened. So this is why it has happened. Otherwise these kind of situations never occurs if the vehicle is keep on moving every day, because normally I used to go to the office early morning, somewhere around 7:30, by around 6:30, 7:30, somewhere around that. and most of the time it take late night, like 11:30, 10:30, like that when I come home. So during this pandemic situation, I didn't go anywhere. I was at home. This was the result. Right now I am inside the garage and they are about to remove the engine parts. මේ පැත්තට එන්නත් පුළුවන් දුට. බටේටම යන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නද? එහෙනම් මේ පැත්තේ. ඇයින්නේ මේ පැත්තේ? අම්මට උඩු එතනින් ගියොත් අර එළියට ඔක්කොටම යත හැකිනේ මල්ලි. ඔව්. ඒඩ පිට යනවා මාතර පේනවන්නේ. ඔව්. අදින්න කොහොමද? පොඩිද? අදින්න. ලයිට් එක ගලවන්න එපා. මූ එනවා කුරුමානම් අල්ලනවා. නේ මම බැලුවේ ඒකයි.
සද්ද බං එහෙම යනවනේ. ඔව් අන්න ඒකනේ අරින්නලු. ගත්තේ නෑ. මල්ලි. මේ සාදු
Sip, jalan ada. Oke, lifetime time ini gue kayak itu nih. Gila. Galau lah kan?
Hah?
Galau lah.
ඔය එකක් ගලවමු. දැන් මම මේක ලිප්ස්ටික් ගලවන්නේ.
Ini galau kan?
අර නේද? දැන් ඒක ගලවුවට වැඩක් නැහැ නේ ලිප්ස්ටික් ගලව ගන්නට පන්න ගන්න බෑ.
Lift එක ගලවලා ඉස්සරහට ටික ඔක්කොම ගලවලා තියෙන ටික.
ඔව් අනිත් ඒවා ටික ගලවන්න.
එහෙනම් මේ ඉස්සරහ පැත්තෙන් පාත් කරගන්න.
නේ? ඔව් බිලා.
අයියෝ
ඔව් බිලා. ඔව් බිලා.
වැඩේ විවඩේ
ඔව් නෑ.
ඉතින්
අන්නේ නෑ පොඩි වුණා.
ලැත්තෙන් අලු තව එකක්
ඕ ඌට බෙටව. හොඳ වයස. ඔව් අන්න කන්නේ. නෑ
මෙතනින් ප්‍රභාසයි පෙන්ඩරේ අයින් කළා ඒ පස් ටික අයින් කරන්න ඕන ටික ටික.
එකයි ජීටි.
ඔව් තව ඉන්නවා ඇතුලේ. අනිත් ඒවා ඉඩක් උත්තර ඒක ඇතුලේ ඉන්නේ.
ඒක ඇතුලේ ඉන්නේ.
පස්කොට ඇතුලේ.
ගනින්ගේ උන්ටි අරන් හිටාම ඉතින්. ඔය යනවා හෙට මෙතන ඉක්මනට ගනි.
ගලවල ඉවරයිද? කාඩ්බෝඩේ තියෙන රිංගපන් ගොබා.
more or less we have removed everything now, even the mud cover, and they are going to remove the fender now. Then another small fellow is there, so we are going to take him out. ඔන්න ඔය පස් ටිකත් ඌරලා දාන්න ඕනේ. ආයෝ ගැලවෙන්නේ නැහැ. අහු වෙනවද අතට? නෑ ඌ අර කෑල්ල ඇතුළට වැටලා ඉන්නේ.
මේ
ඈ?
යවුවා
ඔව්.
ඒ ක්ලිප් ඔන්න නේදියම ක්ලිප් ඔන්න ලුලේ පේන
ඔව්. This is where he is stuck now. He is there now. We are going to take him out.
එක එක දන කරගෙනවා ඉවල්ල
අතරින් පොඩි නැමුණ කියලා මුකුත් වෙන්නේ නැහැ බයින්නේ.
නෙට්ෙන් අදින්න එපා කඩලා යනවා
ඔව් කඩලා යනවා.
අයියෝ වැඩිම.
මේ පැත්තෙන් ගන්න මේ
අතේ එල්ලෙනවා මේ පැත්තෙන් තත්ත දැම්මා
එන්නේ අනිත් එන්නේ
නෑ ඔතනින් ගන්න අන්න හරි.
ඔළුවේ
අන්න හරි අන්න හරි. ආ මේ තියන්.
මුන්ට වතුර ටිකක්වත් දෙන්න වෙයිද දන්නේ නැහැ
ආ
වතුර ටිකක්වත් දෙන්න වෙයිද?
නෑ මම ඔහොමම ගෙනියන සද්දෙට අම්මා එයිනේ පෙටව බලන්න.
ඈ?
පවනේ
සවුන්ඩ් එකෙන් තමයි බලන්න
ඈ? මල්ලි
There were two palm corals. Both are there now. We took them out. The mission is done. So I'm going to take them back to where they were. The mission is over. We have taken the two palm squirrel babies out, and they are right now in the box, in this box, and I'm going to take them home and see whether I can settle them with their parents. So I'm taking them back home. So how, I don't know how it will work out, but we'll hope for the best. So end of the day, it cost me quite a lot of money to get these fellows out, and they have damaged some sensors in my Jeep as well. So anyway, what to do? I mean, things comes like that. Being a wildlife photographer and wildlife conservationist, I cannot let these guys die in hunger. I'm heading towards my home. I'm happy because I was able to rescue these two fellows. So we'll see how I can reunite them with their parents.